What the fuck is up, YouTube? It's been a minute, but we're back and we're actually posting some fucking value. Usually it's lifestyle and shit, but last night I posted on my IG any questions you have about day trading, I'm gonna answer them. But to actually go in depth and give you the value you need, we're on YouTube. Longer videos, more value. So tune in. I got a good amount of videos, so I'll say like 2 to 3 videos a week on this, and we'll make it like a little boot camp, not TJR's type shit. I'm not teaching you all the confluences. So if you're looking for all that, go to TJR's boot camp, watch that, come back, and then you'll find some value from this. So let's go over why you're unprofitable. Boom. So why you're a bitch, basically. There's no reason you should be unprofitable. Unless you're just starting, I get it, but let me tell you why. So, first reason is going to be obvious. Overtrading is one of the biggest things most traders are going to face, and I struggled with this at first too. I would lose a trade, take another trade, lose again, and I'll eventually make it back. I'll be down a few hundred on the day, settle at that, but realistically, you're getting nowhere with that. You're guessing on most of the trades. All your emotions are involved into that. Hold up. So with the emotions involved, you're basically not trading your strategy, not trading anything else. You're trading for the money. So overtrading, what I realized is coming from thinking of the money. And if you're unprofitable, you're most likely not even on this stage yet where you're actually trading with your own capital, or you've passed your first eval and now you got the chance to make money. Most of you are stuck on evals and you're already thinking ahead. I'm buying a new whip, gonna get a crib, bringing my mom out the trenches. Whatever it is, you cannot get ahead of yourself before you even pass the eval, my boy. You feel me? Most people get stuck on the concept of money. I mean, yeah, everyone starts trading for the money. Obvious, I did too. Why else would I be doing this shit? It's lame. You're looking at fucking candles. Thinking of the money, the best way I would say to get that emotion away and actually start thinking about trading, not specifically just money, and that's gonna be by saying to yourself, you're not even at the point where you can make money. So what are you tweaking about? And any profits you make isn't your money until you request that payout or you take it out of your live trading account, right? So, I mean, it's really that simple. The next way I would say get rid of overtrading is Project X. Project X. And what they offer is a lockout mode where you could set it for either after you take a trade, you're locked out. You can't press buy, you can't press sell. You're done for the day. Or you could set it for a certain amount of money. Set it at, say, $400 if that's your normal stop loss for a trade. So after you lose a trade, you're done for the day. Or you could set it at $1,000 profit. So once you make that, you're done for the day. There's physically nothing you could do to trade again unless you buy some new accounts, go on a different firm, whatever, right? And if you're getting to that point where you're going on different firms to keep trading revenge trade, that's on you. That is the most dumbest shit I've ever heard, right? But with the locking yourself up, all you're gaining from that is you realistically can't do shit. You're out of it. Yeah, I mean, not much more to say on that. You're locked out. You can't do shit until the next session, right? Another reason for overtrading is not another reason, but a way to get out of that part you're in for overtrading is literally tell yourself you won't become profitable. You won't become profitable doing this. DOI. Doing this. So, with overtrading, you are blowing your profit you made previous days over a loss you took today. So until you realize that your profits are just going to disappear slowly but surely, I mean, don't you, oh my gosh, don't you think, tell me, you catch a banger on Monday, $1,000 you're up, Tuesday, take it out, revenge trade, now you're down 2,000, you're down 1,000 and lost your profit. You see what I'm saying? Or say you take a trade, right? You're up 1,000, but you get greedy. You want to take another trade, but you end up losing. And then if you had profit, you lose. You're like, damn, let me make that shit back real quick. Nope, you're down even more. You break even on the day. From what would have been a winning day, you bring it down to nothing. So don't you think that's kind of dumb? It's something you got to realize within your trading. If you don't make a change isn't going to happen in your trading. If you're unprofitable now, you don't make a change, you're going to continue to be unprofitable. You get it? Bang. Let's go on to the next thing now. Second reason you're still not profitable is because you're coming into the market with no bias, no direction in the market where we want to go. It's simple. I'm going to go more in depth on it for a different video. But until then, this is what I'm going to tell you. So what you're doing, you're coming into the market, no direction. So with every confluence you see, an inversion to the downside, you're taking it. But overall, go to the 1 hour time frame, candle's still bullish. You see, you're going shorts when overall market wants to go up, right? Not the smartest. But so with the no bias, you're also, you're going to get wicked out. You'll probably get in for a retrace, get a little profit, and then you break even. So, but to find bias, what you're looking at is PDRAs. PDRA. Alright, so you're looking at PDRAs and seeing what we're rejecting off, so what we're respecting and what we're disrespecting. So if we're inversing a 4 hour candle to the downside, we're most likely going to continue going lower until we have a reason to go up, like sweeping some sort of liquidity out, or unless we're catching a retrace or the down move was a retrace. Okay, you kind of get what I'm saying. So like here, let's show it like this. So look, 1 hour is going to be this. We're going bang, 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 bang. You see, we're always going to get these little retrace moves. Bang, bang, retrace moves. You could catch these, but overall, these aren't going to make you much profit. If you're catching the move down, you're not getting much, right? But what we want to try to catch is this move going up, right? We want to catch the retrace, so say to like a 5-minute fair value we got right there. We get some inversion and then bang, we're catching the whole move up rather than some bullshit from this high to this little low. And most of the time, even with that, who says we're gonna continue going there? It could just be a small ass retrace and continue up, right? But then also when I want to go over it for that is higher time frame is going to give you a direction of the market, but that does not mean lower time frame isn't going to do something else, all right? So yeah, basically you want to see where we're rejecting, where we're respecting to find some sort of direction in the market. But going along with that, we could also look at wicks, higher time frame wicks to determine a draw on liquidity. So drawn liquidity, high time frame wicks. So pretty much high time frame wicks, it's going to be There's liquidity sitting. Like, let me show you right now. Here, bang, look, all this shit. Haven't tapped that. Haven't tapped that. So all this is gonna be liquidity we're gonna want to come up to and target. I mean, we have the same on the to the downside. Wick there. Wick there. All this is gonna be what you can target and where the market is gonna want to pull to, because market moves to liquidity. Duh. So liquidity, fair value gaps, fucking swing highs, swing lows, all that is where market wants to go. And basically, when you add everything I just told you up, it's gonna give you some sort of direction of where the market is gonna want to go, right? Bang. I mean, that's it. Then I mean, we could go into session highs and what the fuck was I looking at? Yeah, session highs and lows. Session highs and lows, again, same thing. It's just fucking liquidity, right? So, boom. If you're trading New York AM session, what you're looking for pretty much is to see what Asia and London session does. So like we could see here, Asia pretty much just chopped. London looks like it got the manipulation leg. So we swept this. Swept Asia highs out, right? So look. Chop. Swept highs here. And then with that, basically what you're looking at is what does this show us here? So Asia chopped. London made a move sweeping, I mean not even sweeping these highs out really. Then bang, chop, pre-market bullshit. And then now we want to see what New York's gonna do. So what we're gonna do, we're either gonna consolidate because one of the overnight sessions made the move, or we're gonna manipulate one direction, so sweep out highs and lows and go the other way, or we're gonna continue what London session did. So in this case, that's pretty much what we did. London was going up, New York continued going up as well. And then what can we see for the sessions after, like lunch and PM? We ended up sweeping highs in the lunch pre-market, or yeah, and then look, we just fucking targeted fucking lows, targeted that low, and I bet we're coming for New York AM lows next. And then I feel like sometime later, London, Asia, we're hitting those. And one indicator I fucking love is ICT kills on them pivots. It literally just marks it out, makes your life a whole lot easier. Wouldn't you like that? I bet. But yeah, that is fucking it for finding bias. I will make another video going more in depth on bias, but now I'm just telling you why you're unprofitable and what changes you should make. But last thing we're gonna go over for the video is you got no specific trading time. I think I spelled it right. So with no specific trading time, you are trading some bullshit. So what you got to realize is during the sessions, that's when the bank, the institutions, they're trading. So they're the ones who's actually moving the market. You on your little funded account, you're not moving shit. The big boys are moving shit. The Jews. But so when you're not trading in a session, you got no volatility. Market is not gonna make moves. You know. I cannot spell. I failed English. But no volatility equals bigger moves for less money, longer trades, whole bunch of bullshit. You feel me? So like, that's why, here, let me show you that. So like, look at this. Look at what Asia did, man. Like, Asia, no volatility. You will be in a trade for God knows how long just to make fucking $500. So, yeah, what you got to notice is different sessions, different type of volatility, and if you're getting on at random times, it's not going to help you. You're trading this, you're not trading bullshit. It's just going to chop around most of the time. Like here, nothing, nothing. You should really just be trading during set times. Like New York AM session, that's all I trade from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's Central Time. Then PM or lunch is 11 a.m. to 12, and then PM is 12 to shit, I don't even know. 12 to 3. Alright? Trade within those times. It'll help you. Save you time and money. I mean, what else is there? And then, I mean, obvious, y'all know. Different sessions move. Fuck it, y'all looking at that. Different sessions move different. So, like I'm saying, Asia, it's gonna move slower most of the time you're consolidating. London, never traded London. That shit's like 3 in the morning. Nope, I'm sleeping. But yeah, London low-key be moving though. New York AM, that's what I fuck with. Hella volatility. You'll catch a banger in fucking 5 minutes. And yeah. So pick what session works for you and keep it consistent the whole time. Don't be switching from fucking AM session to London session and fucking on a random Wednesday be trading Asia. There's no reason for it. Get used to one market, how it's moving, and you should be good. But thanks for watching the video. I will have another video posted in like fucking, I don't know why I'm holding scissors, but another video is going to be posted within 2 to 3 days, and I'm going to be repping these motherfuckers out like it's 135 on Bash. I'm going to be 1 video, 2 video, 3, 4, 5. We're going crazy on YouTube now. Drop a sub, watch my videos, calm shit.